Yes, 12 participants are there, and 1,500-meter race for boys in age bracket of 17 to 18 has just begun. Currently, at the first position running is Karnataka athlete Kuri, but a lot will change there. In fact, 3 more laps and 50 meters, to be very precise, to go in this contest. All are running at a very close pack, and they must be checking the stamina not only of theirs but their rivals as well. Uttar Pradesh athletes, Maharashtra athletes are quite sensational in this discipline so far in this meet. Haran athletes have also done very well. Still, there is Kuri of Karnataka at first position. Normally, we have seen that the chasers went on to win the race. Seldom we have seen that the person who is in the earlier part of the race in the lead went on to finish that as the gold medal winner. But anything can happen. Different type of strategies have been employed by the players in these races because they go to the front, put extra pressure on the chasers, or sometimes you become a chaser, and in the final 50 or 100 meter, as per your decision, you go for the final push. But all the athletes are trying very hard from the outside, putting pressure on the leader is Harinder Kumar of Delhi. Harinder Kumar of Delhi, from the outside you can see, is currently running shoulder to shoulder to the guy from Delhi as well. So these two guys from Delhi, Harinder Kumar and Kunj Sharma, currently running at the second and the third position. But leader is still the same, Kuri. 2 more laps to go after this. Trying very hard now, and the athletes from Delhi putting pressure on the athlete from Karnataka. This is a good strategy that we have often seen because two athletes who are from the same team often build up a partnership. One of them conserve the energy, and one of them build up the pace. And at the later stages, the person who has extra strength in his muscles go for the final push. But that's what happening is there because two athletes of Delhi, Harinder Kumar and Kunj Sharma, are employing exactly that strategy. Currently running shoulder to shoulder at second and third position. And the first position is for Sangram Kuri as well. But right now, as the point from where at the point where they are approaching, they will hear the bell, and suddenly we are going to see a spurt of speed. We have not seen anybody going strong there up to this point. But right now, as I can guess, that now this will push the limits of all the players. The distance between the first and the last is only about 10 meters, so anything can happen there. But these 8 or 9 athletes have opened up a very good gap. Now, Karnataka athletes is under pressure from the Delhi athlete from the outside, trying very hard. Is the athlete from Maharashtra, Inderjeet. Inderjeet is trying very hard. Inderjeet is coming to the picture. Finally, Inderjeet is the third position. But Kuri is doing very well, and so is Ankit Sharma. Ankit is there. Excuse me, Harinder Kumar. Harinder Kumar is trying very hard from the inside, and now athlete from Maharashtra is coming to the picture. He is currently at the second position, but Kuri is maintaining this first position. Can he retain it till the end? That's what we want to see. But from the outside, another athlete has come to the picture. For the first time in the lead is the athlete Satyadev of Haryana. Satyadev of Haryana is building up a good lead there. Satyadev of Haryana has turned himself into a sprinter. All the racers are trying. Satyadev of Haryana is running at a very menacing speed. All the athletes are trying. The Satyadev of Haryana has extra amount of energy in his legs. He's waited for so long in the shadows. And Satyadev of Haryana is going to clinch the gold medal. He raised his arm in celebration. Second spot went to the athlete who is from Delhi, and his name is Harinder Kumar. He tried very hard to catch the pace of Satyadev